Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell meme coins on Trojan bot. So in order to do this, you first have to come to your Trojan bot on Solana. Here you will have to click on the start button. For that you will have to click on menu and then click on the start button. After doing so, you will be able to access all of the features and all of the options that are provided by Trojan bot. Here you will have to click on the sell button and then it will show you the list of all of the tokens that you own on the Trojan bot. So among this list, you just have to select that particular coin which you want to sell. After that, you just have to provide the amount or the percentage that you want to sell and then you just have to place your selling order. If you come back and if you click on the positions option, then it will show you all of your buying and all of your selling positions in this section. So if you are not able to see any of the recent position that you have made over here, then you can click on the refresh button and it will show you all of your positions. So this is how you can easily sell meme coins on Trojan bot. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.